Now guys, I decided to make my own solar array with parts ready off the shelf. This is from Soprama. This is Lagos. And this is the width for the back. It's 150, but I've got to put these on to get the exact sizing. So I'll have to put these on temporarily, turn back off again. I was actually planning originally for to have pipework bent, but the prices that came back was just absolutely crazy. They're just on temporarily, so they don't should be just tight enough so they don't fall off. I don't want to lose them overboard. They're not the cheapest. I'm sure it's 100% right. Goes to one side and over. From Soprama. These parts aren't the cheapest. It's still cheaper than that's little made. It turns out these fittings are Imperial and they're 1/8. It's a good fit. The other one was very sloppy and didn't tighten very well. Some of these fittings are Imperial and some of them are metric. Unbelievable. Now, first things first, nice piece of cord.
To be sure. I like that.
Maybe I should put that bit around my neck. Working on solar gantry. I've been trying to get a double clamp for these corners so I can clamp them together. Just can't get them anywhere, but I've come up with a new idea. I'm going to use 2 hose clips, one that way, one that way, and that should hold it in place. I've also tried to maximise the amount of room I can have for the solar gantry because I want to put 2 decent sized panels on top. So I've now got this one fitted is the same width at the bottom, so they're both on exactly the same angle. I've just got to put the two spars across the top. This is the maximum I can have because of my main sheet is comes here. So that's the maximum room I can have. It's about meter 50 I think. I've just got it temporarily fastened in place just now. So I'll do a bit of work on that today. Guys, that's finally got my solar array finished. Unfortunately, I can't afford solar panels yet. I have to wait till I get a bit more cash in the pocket. It's worked out quite good. We've corners all done, posts, uprights. So it's kind of finished off how I'd imagined it looking. It stays going up. It all rakes back the way which I wanted. I wanted to hang over the back because I wanted to hang my dinghy off the back of it when I'm in the marinas. Now I'm not going to hang it off the back like that when we're on the way, obviously, but I suppose for a short passage I could do, but I don't intend to do that. If short passage, I'll tow it. My motor, I now have a way of lowering it into the boat, which is excellent. I've just got to make a proper harness for the outboard. It's getting a bit older, it's a bit too heavy for me now. As you can see, I've put a couple of stays across, so I can hold the solar panels when I got it. We've got to have my backstay go through the middle of the cover. This is like cover version number 1. There's probably going to be a 2 or 3 come after this, but this is it at the moment. Obviously I had to make some ways of fitting it properly. The stays for my wind generator I had to kind of alter a little. So the wind generator now, instead of being stayed to my boat, it's stayed to the Bimini, or cover, whatever you want to call it, solar array, and I put another stay across here. So everything is all pretty solid. It's really nice. Just if you're a solar panel company, reach out to me. I need 2 nice solar panels to just sit on top of here. Anyway, that's all for just now. As I do the new upgrades or fit panels, whatever I'm doing, I'll get back to you. You can see where I've fastened the backs. So it's yeah. The only thing I've got left to do is I don't like the grub screws, so I'm going to take those out, drill through and put stainless steel rivets in. I just don't feel that they give as much grip as they really should. And my clips actually work quite good. It's not really to hold anything, it's just to stop it from rattling if the engine's running. I just don't want it vibrating against the pulpit. So yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching. And catch you again. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and leave comments. If you think I've done something wrong, or if you think there's something I could have done better, please let me know, because I'm always open to suggestions. Bye for now.